You want to try the pumpkin spice too? I don't think it's recommended for you. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl, Savannah Smiles. I'm sorry, I don't have anything to change the lights in here. So today, as everyone knows, it is pumpkin spice latte, pumpkin spice, pumpkin everything season. It's my favorite. You get to try it too.
Cool.
So I found a whole bunch of pumpkin spice things from Trader Joe's, and of course we have the infamous pumpkin spice latte here, but we are going to be trying all of this today. How are you feeling about this?
Good. I didn't have to spend any money on this, so I'm really happy for this video. How much was all of this?
I don't even want to know. So, first off, I'm going to start you off. There's some kind of weird items in here, and then there's some kind of just mellow items in here. But first I'm going to start you off with something I think you're probably going to still use after we are done with this video. Okay. And that would be the pumpkin spice coffee. So I actually haven't opened this up yet, so we're gonna have to pop over into the kitchen to go start making this, and then we'll report back on this later.
Cool.
Ready? To keep everything really authentic for you guys. Okay.
Here, hold this. Oh, shit.
There we go. From back in the days, I was never a barista.
That's okay. Good. Cool.
So here's the real question. Should we add creamer to one or not?
No, no cream. We don't even have any cream.
All right, guys, we are back with our coffee. It has no creamer in it, so this should be interesting.
Cool.
I was actually watching a video on why pumpkin spice is so popular. I think it was by Food Theory, and it said it was because it didn't taste like coffee. So it'd be interesting to see what pure coffee this pumpkin spice will taste like, but.
All right, let's give it a shot.
Okay.
Cool. Pretty sweet.
This is so bitter.
Really? I think it's sweet.
On what planet?
I like it though. I'd give this one a 6.
I would still drink this, but I'd probably need to add a little bit of creamer or something to it.
Oh, you'd have a lot of creamer. The way you like coffee, it's like half cream, half coffee. There's very little actual coffee in the drink.
So I'm gonna rate this a 6.5 out of 10. I like it, but I don't think it's something necessarily I would seek out, but definitely something I will drink. Okay, I'm gonna be like one of those professional wine people and swirl it and yeah, I don't think that makes a difference. What are you doing?
I'm just reading.
What could be so important that you need to do that right now?
It's Morning Brew.
I think I've heard of Morning Brew.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
They happen to be this video's sponsor. For those of you who don't know what Morning Brew is, it is a free email newsletter that comes to your inbox every Monday through Saturday. I personally love starting off my day with Morning Brew. Before signing up for Morning Brew, I honestly would spend 20 plus minutes on whatever social media site just swiping away until I got bored. And now I grab my Morning Brew and spend like 5 to 10 minutes checking out current news that's going on. It's really helped me get a productive kickoff to my day. Plus, as a former millennial and now current member of Gen Z, I find traditional news so boring and so slow. However, Morning Brew does a really good job of breaking down current business, tech, and finance news. I actually do find myself really excited in the morning to open up the newsletter just to see with what news that they have brought me for the day. I want to reiterate, this is completely free and it takes like 15 seconds to subscribe to their newsletter. So I have put it in the description box down below, and it's also going to be in the pinned comment. So if you want to start off your morning like me, you know where to go. Also, a huge thank you to Morning Brew for sponsoring today's video. Anyways, let's get back to the video. What's calling out to you?
The pumpkin spice cookies.
Okay.
Those ones,
these are relatively normal. These are petite pumpkin spice cookies. They're shortbread cookies with pumpkin spice and yogurt coating. So it should be semi-healthy.
There's no way this is healthy. Let me take a look at it.
Okay.
Here. So 4 cookies, 130 calories, 13 grams of sugar. They're actually not terrible compared to what a normal cookie would be. Can I open?
Yep.
Okay. This is bad. We haven't even had dinner yet.
Oh my gosh.
Eating cookies. What?
You opened everything so chaotically. Are you ever planning on those shedding again?
No.
Graham.
You can tell the last time I've had desserts. I've been so eager. I've been cutting out sweet foods lately, so I've been very eager. Well, anyway, we got the bag.
Look at this.
Here we got an orange one and a white one.
Okay,
You want to grab a white one?
The rest of the food over because
right.
I just realized
Hold on.
it's really hard to see.
Just grab a white one so we can.
Okay.
No,
Oh, wait.
that one.
Okay.
Ready? Cheers. Let's try it.
They taste like those circus animal things, but pumpkin-y. There's not a lot of spice to it, but very pumpkin-y. It's got a nice thick
One
coating
more.
too. You know, you can see this? Thick coating, so that's nice. All right, Graham.
I'm giving this an 8 out of 10. Pretty good.
Okay.
I'm gonna put it away.
No, I'm gonna give this a 7 out of 10 because I think the cookie's just slightly too crunchy. So, should we do something weird next or should we do something normal?
Let's do the drink. Let's wash it down with one of the drinks. I would say the soda first.
All right, so we're going for a weird one here. So I found pumpkin pie spice, which that counts as pumpkin spice because pumpkin spice is pumpkin pie flavor pretty much. Pumpkin pie spice ginger brew sparkling beverage. So it's a soda. It's pretty much a ginger soda. So I got our glasses here,
Okay.
which look really fingerprinty from my hands touching it, but okay. And let's open this up.
Okay. There we go. Could do a slow-mo of that. All right,
so this looks exactly like a Canada Dry.
Yeah, you know what? Smell it. It smells exactly like ginger ale.
It does.
Exactly like ginger ale. Ramsey, stop it.
No.
Oh, ready? Let's try it.
All right. Wait, cheers?
Cheers.
Okay.
Hold on.
It just tastes like expired ginger ale.
Yeah, I barely taste the pumpkin in this. A mild aftertaste.
Yeah, but it just kind of tastes like something's wrong with ginger ale rather than being.
I'd give this a 3. I wouldn't even finish this.
I give this a 1. This is bad. I would never buy this again, and this was such a waste of money.
Yeah, we'll give it to Jack.
Yeah.
Let's try the bark.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is organic pumpkin spice granola bark. So this probably is going to be the healthiest out of all these because I guess it has some grains or something. It looks like it has 6 grams of total fat, 6 grams of sugar, 4 grams of protein, so I think that's beating the cookies. And it's saying the serving size is 1.5 pieces, so I'm not really sure what that means because we haven't opened it yet, but.
Oh, these are big pieces of bark. Holy crap. Here, you want to split one?
Okay.
That's huge. Hold on.
My mouth still tastes funny from that stupid soda.
How do we know there's not almonds in this? Let's see if there's almonds.
Oh, I have an almond allergy, in case anyone's wondering why he's mentioning that.
Chocolate.
I don't think so. I thought I looked over this.
Contains soy, almond, and coconut. So let me be the one to try this.
I can't believe I just wasted money on something I can't eat because I'm allergic.
No. I mean, I'll eat it.
You'll eat it?
Yeah.
It's a keep. What do
I
you
like
rate this?
7.
Okay.
I like it. It's good. It's not too sweet. I don't really taste the spumpkin pice. I don't taste the sumpkin pice, but it's pretty good.
All right, next we are gonna go on to a food item, and that would be the pumpkin spice batons from Trader Joe's. These are probably horrible for us. Oh,
Well,
I don't want to break my nails.
I need to open this.
You have
Oh,
to
wait,
take
here.
that. Yeah.
There we go. Here's yours.
All right.
I don't want to lose mine. There we go. Here's mine.
Okay.
Cool.
So, I'm excited to try this. So let's.
Oh, I know you like this. I'm gonna give this like a 9. That's an 8 for me.
Dang it! You're taking my numbers.
Well, I was saying you were gonna give a 9.
No, I'd probably give this an 8. My ideal amount of sweetness is something that you can kind of munch on, but you don't need water necessarally with.
No. You know what it tastes like? Is Captain Crunch. Doesn't it?
Yes. Yeah, so if you like Captain Crunch, this is the thing for you. All right, so before this video, you guys had never heard of pumpkin spice soda. But
What if they have?
I don't know. I guess then they've heard of it then. But I bet you had never heard of pumpkin spice adult beverage for adults over 21. Yay!
Cool, let's try it.
You excited?
Yeah, I'll have a sip. I like the sound it makes.
It does have a nice... Okay, so first impressions.
I mean, it smells like Bailey's.
It smells like Bailey's and like pumpkin spice lattes.
All right, ready?
It smells so good.
Let's try it. I mean,
I'm keeping that.
That's meant to be mixed with something else. That's so sweet.
Ice. It's meant to be mixed with ice.
That's like drinking straight coffee creamer though.
1 second. Okay, let's see if this makes a difference.
You're gonna be up late.
No, we'll just try it. Because you said it needs to be mixed with something else.
Yeah, it
Bailey's
does.
is usually mixed with coffee. So let's see what happens when you mix pumpkin spice adult beverage with coffee. Oh yeah, this makes this drink a 10.
I'll try it. I don't like it. Funny enough, I don't like it in the coffee.
More for me.
More for you. You could have that one. It's too sweet and the flavors just don't mix well.
They're both pumpkin spice.
It just tastes odd.
This, I would give a 9. This coffee, I would give like a 6.5, but together, to me, they are a 10.
Good.
The numbers don't add up, but in a way, they do.
It's too sweet for me. I would, 6.
We have the last and final thing, which this video needs, is the Starbucks Instant Pumpkin Spice Latte.
Okay.
All right, let's pop to the kitchen.
Okay.
Sometimes it can end up like a little bit diluted or a little bit too strong. So it needs 8 fluid ounces, and there's 8 fluid ounces in a cup. So we are going to measure this. Okay. Oh, did you get my pajama pants? I learned from the best. So now we're gonna take this, put it in here, and crank that, no wait, 1:30. Well, that was fast. Now we're gonna grab this. We're gonna grab one of these packets.
It's a lot of powder.
Yeah, no, I was just thinking the same thing. I didn't remember it being like this last year. Alright, and now back over to there. I've had this before, so I'm gonna let you be the first try.
It's good, it's too sweet for me. You're gonna give that a 10. I'll give it a 7.
10. It has a really good, strong cinnamon flavor in this, which I absolutely love cinnamon. So that's really nice. You can hit that in there. You have like strong notes of pumpkin in there too. Cinnamon is like one of my favorite flavors. So it has a very strong cinnamon in it in some way that like none of the other pumpkin spice things did.
Cool.
So we got a 10.
Perfect, and I like the bark. I'll eat that.
Well, good, because I literally wasted money on that one.
Oh well.
I could just try it and then have it.
No, don't.
Alright guys, that was the video. Thank you, Graham, for coming on the channel. I don't feel like I've had you on here besides in a vlog. Anyways, guys, all the affiliate links are below. You guys know the drill. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Smash the YouTube algorithm for the like button. Subscribe to the smash button. All that good jazz. And then... oh. 2 free stocks on Webull. Down below in the description, you get your 2 free stocks on Webull when you deposit $100. One of those stocks is going to be worth all the way up to $1,600. Also, you can get 100 tickets into the upcoming drawing on Yada Bank. For every $25 you save, you get 1 entry
for a chance to earn all the way up to $10 million. The link to that is down below in the description.
And again, guys, a huge thank you to Morning Brew for sponsoring today's video. Sponsors mean the world to small channels like mine, so thank you so much for working with me, and I'm so excited because they have such an awesome product. So thank you so much, Morning Brew. And you guys, to help support me and help support the sponsor, go check them out down below. It's free. So you might as well. And with that said,
don't forget to end the video.
Four and a half to 4.